Hi, I'm Deborah Henderson, founder, CEO of Centre for Inspired Leadership, and I've just completed one full day of media training with Mirella Sula, founder, CEO of Global Woman Club, and Andrea McLean, media coach. It has been phenomenal. I've been in the business of culture transformation, which means facilitating corporate leaders for the last 24 years. And this was my first experience of being in front of the camera for a media training course. To undertake something like this, we need facilitators who know how to create safe space. And that is exactly what Mirella and Andrea created for us. They developed a program between them which had intertwined what was needed to build up our confidence, step at a time, from working together with others on a panel in front of the camera on the sofa, to standing up and speaking individually, one-on-one, and we're about to do a podcast, which is the last part of the day. So I would recommend this heartily to anybody who wants to get their message out there, who has a burning passion to be able to, whether it's write a book, glean more clients for their business, spread a mission for the world. This is the place to come. It was extraordinary.